When we talk about building strong structures, two materials often come into the conversation: GFRP, glass fiber reinforced polymer; steel rebar. GFRP rebar is made by combining glass fibers with a polymer resin, creating a material that is lightweight yet strong. Steel rebar, on the other hand, is a solid bar of steel. Both are used to reinforce concrete, making buildings, bridges, and roads last longer. Now, you might wonder, why use GFRP when steel has been the go-to for decades? First off, it doesn't rust or corrode like steel, which is a big deal considering how corrosion can weaken structures and hike up maintenance costs. Also, GFRP is surprisingly strong relative to its weight, allowing for easier handling and transport, a boon in reducing labor costs. Imagine building something that lasts longer without needing much repair or replacement. That's what GFRP promises. By the end of this, you'll see that though steel has served us well, the future might just belong to GFRP rebar in the construction world. Where can GFRP bars used? Corrosion-prone environment. Roads. Airport. Metro rail. Swimming pool. Underground water tank. Railway construction. Drainage structure. Industrial project. Football ground. Bridge repair. Precast hume pipes. Water tank. Concrete wall. Housing and civil project. Comparison between steel bars and GFRP bars. Specific gravity of steel bar is 7.8. Specific gravity of GFRP bar is 2.0. Tensile strength of steel bar is 400 to 600 MPa. Tensile strength of GFRP bar is 800 to 1000 MPa. Tensile modulus of steel bar is 200 GPa. Tensile modulus of GFRP bar is 40 to 60 GPa. Tensile strength in cold for steel bar is brittle. Tensile strength in cold for GFRP bar is unchanged. Bond strength to concrete for steel bar is 4 to 5 MPa. Bond strength to concrete for GFRP bar is greater than 10 MPa. Long-term bond strength to concrete for steel bar is poor. Long-term bond strength to concrete for GFRP bar is unchanged. Steel bar don't have non-magnetic property. GFRP bar has non-magnetic property. Steel bar don't have thermal insulation property. GFRP bar has thermal insulation property. Steel bar don't have electrical insulation property. GFRP bar has electrical insulation property. Cut ability is difficult in steel bars. Cut ability is easy in GFRP bars. Steel bar bending can be done in field. GFRP bar bending cannot be done in field. Steel bar's corrosion resistance is only for 20 years or less than 20 years. whereas GFRP corrosion resistance lasts for 50 to 100 years or more than 100 years. Now let's see the cost comparison between steel bar and GFRP bar. Life cycle cost advantage is high in steel bars, whereas life cycle cost advantage is low in GFRP bars. Initial cost of material is low in case of steel bars, whereas initial cost of material in length is high in case of GFRP bars. No transport savings and handling savings in steel bars, whereas transport savings and handling savings is there in case of GFRP bars. No concrete cover savings in case of steel bars. Concrete cover savings is possible in case of GFRP bars. No labor savings during installation in case of steel bar, whereas labor savings is possible during installation in case of GFRP bar. No patching savings in steel bars. Patching savings can be done in case of GFRP bars. No unlimited custom length in steel bar. Any length available in case of GFRP bar. Work-related injuries is high in case of steel rebars, whereas work-related injuries is low in case of GFRP bars. Next, let us see about benefits of using GFRP bars. Firstly, GFRP bar is stronger than steel bars. GFRP bars is 2 times stronger than steel due to its unique composition and properties. 30% savings as compared to TMT bars. GFRP bars can offer cost savings of up to 30% when compared to traditional TMT bars, making them a cost-effective alternative. Rust-proof. Unlike steel bars, GFRP bars are rust-proof, ensuring a longer lifespan and minimizing maintenance needs. Reduction of rebar scraps. GFRP bars and bent elements are custom-made to precise dimensions, reducing waste and minimizing rebar scraps during construction. Fire resistance. GFRP bars is considered to be fire resistant, as it doesn't burn directly and the structures are sustainable during fire. Highly chemical resistant. GFRP bars is highly resistant to chemical corrosion, making it ideal for use in aggressive environments or marine structures. High corrosion resistance. GFRP bars are corrosion resistant, which enables engineers to build durable concrete structures in the chloride-rich environment. Its long-term performance in highly corrosive environment has caught public attention worldwide. Lightweight. GFRP bars are 9 times lighter than steel bars, with comparable strength characteristics. High earthquake resistance. GFRP bars has 20 times fatigue resistance of steel, making GFRP more durable under cyclic loading of high intensity, which makes rebars workable during earthquake. Easy installation. GFRP bars can be cut from the bay of any given length, fastened with plastic clips or just a binding wire. Custom length. Unlike steel bars, GFRP bars can be provided in custom length, which can help in reducing cost, as no overlapping is required. Hence, time and labor is saved. Saving in overlapping cost. GFRP elements do not require overlapping, as traditional TMT bars do, resulting in cost savings on material and labor. Easy transportation and storage. GFRP bars can be folded into coils, which allows you to use even cars for transportation and could be saved significantly at the same time. IS code for GFRP bar is IS 1825-6-2023. This document is the Indian standard for GFRP bars used to reinforce concrete. Second code book to refer about GFRP bars is IRC 137. Bond between GFRP bar and concrete. In code book it is given that the bond of GFRP bars is a resin-dominated mechanism and relies on the transfer of shear and transverse forces at the interface between bar and concrete and between individual fibers within the bar. The bond strength of GFRP bars is 10 to 20 MPa. Next one is compressive strength. The compressive strength of GFRP bars can range from 300 to 600 MPa. Flexural strength is 1000 to 1500 MPa. GFRP has permissible elongation of about 4.44%. Next, let us see about the weight difference between steel bar and GFRP bar. Weight is given per 12-meter bar. Weight of 6 mm their steel bar is 2.75 kg. Weight of 4.5 mm their GFRP bar is 0.46 kg. Weight of 8 mm their steel bar is 4.74 kg. Weight of 6 mm their GFRP bar is 0.57 kg. Weight of 10 mm their steel bar is 7.40 kg. Weight of 7 mm their GFRP bar is 0.94 kg. Weight of 12 mm their steel bar is 10.65 kg. Weight of 8 mm their GFRP bar is 1.23 kg. Weight of 14 mm their steel bar is 14.52 kg. Weight of 10 mm their GFRP bar is 1.65 kg. Weight of 16 mm their steel bar is 18.93 kg. Weight of 12 mm their GFRP bar is 2.48 kg. Weight of 18 mm their steel bar is midnight kg. Weight of 14 mm their GFRP bar is 3.24 kg. Weight of 22 mm their steel bar is 35.76 kg. Weight of 16 mm their GFRP bar is 4.87 kg. Weight of 25 mm their steel bar is 46.22 kg. Weight of 18 mm their GFRP bar is 6.28 kg. Weight of 28 mm their steel bar is 58.02 kg. Weight of 20 mm their GFRP bar is 8.08 kg. Weight of 32 mm their steel bar is 75.79 kg. Weight of 22 mm their GFRP bar is 9.80 kg. Is GFRP cheaper than steel? GFRP is a cost-effective way. It eliminates fundamental and expensive repair problems created by steel reinforcement. Maintain cosmetically attractive structures over time. That is less cracking and ugly rust staining, resulting in higher property resale value. Can GFRP bars be used for residential purpose? Yes, it can be used in residential buildings. It can be used up to a 15-story building level. Now let us see the applications of GFRP bars. Burj Khalifa in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It is the tallest skyscraper in the world, which incorporates GFRP bars in construction. Patna Metro Rail in India. GFRP materials were chosen to withstand the monsoon climate. Dubai Metro Viaducts. For the construction of viaducts, GFRP bars were used as reinforcements in the concrete structures. Large power station in Germany. GFRP bars and bent elements stirrups were used as non-ferrous reinforcement where lines are channeled through floor slabs. North Tunnel Section. Here, the mesh of GFRP bar of 8 mm there is used. Dry dock rehabilitation. Steel furnace foundation. Second pile application for construction of main tunnel in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Zurich Airport. In this airport, around 25 kilometers GFRP bars are installed beneath the taxiways at Zurich Airport. NHAI. National Highways Authority of India. Next we are going to see about the current market rate of GFRP bars and steel bars. Let's see the price difference. I have given an Excel sheet for your best understanding. GFRP bars price per ton is from 2,50,000 rupees to 5 lakhs. Steel bars price per ton is from 60,000 rupees to 80,000. GFRP bars price per kg is from 150 rupees to 300. Steel bars price per kg is from 70 rupees to 90. 8 mm their GFRP bar is from 60 rupees to 80 per meter. 8 mm their steel bar is from 15 rupees to 25 per meter. 10 mm their GFRP bar is from 80 rupees to 100 per meter. 10 mm their steel bar is from 25 rupees to 35 per meter. 12 mm their GFRP bar is from 100 rupees to 120 per meter. 12 mm their steel bar is from 30 rupees to 45 per meter. 16 mm their GFRP bar is from 120 rupees to 140 per meter. 16 mm their steel bar is from 50 rupees to 70 per meter. 20 mm their GFRP bar is from 140 rupees to 160 per meter. 20 mm their steel bar is from 70 rupees to 90 per meter. 25 mm their GFRP bar is from 160 rupees to 180 per meter. 25 mm their steel bar is from 100 rupees to 130 per meter. 32 mm their GFRP bar is from 180 rupees to 200 per meter. 32 mm their steel bar is from 150 rupees to 180 per meter. Prices given in this video is an approximate cost. Prices can vary based on the supplier, region, specifications and market conditions. If you want this free PDF of current market rate of GFRP bars and steel bars, kindly follow the steps given in description box. After watching this video, please comment below about this interesting video. If you have any doubt, comment below. I will answer all your queries. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, Civil Engineering Shailu's Updates. Thank you.